Hey, it's Money Sloth, and in this video I will show you how to sell a stock on Webull. When you go to the Webull homepage, you can go up to Trade. This will take you into your account, and you can click Unlock to view positions. Enter your trading passcode, and then you will see your positions. When you sign up for Webull, they should give you some free stocks. If you choose to sell one of these, you can select it, and you see I have Sundial Growers selected here, and Sundial Growers went up a lot compared to the last 2 days, so I think I'm going to go ahead and take profit on that now. So in this box down here, you can place an order. So I'm going to click sell. For order type, I'm going to choose market. For quantity, I'm going to choose 30 because I have 30 shares. And now I'm going to click place order. So now what I will do is watch Sundial Growers for it to come back down, and then I might buy it again. And that's how you can keep trading and making more profit.